Hey, this will be a video chart on DMXC, Delta Mining and Exploration Corporation. I did this one a little while ago, but I want to get it back here and updated. This line you see here is from the last time I did it. But the main reason I want to do this is check out this thing down here. Look at that big old volume bar. And better yet, to combine with this volume bar, the price was up 33% today. So there's nothing better than seeing above average volume with above average, or not above average, excuse me, with bullish price action. As you've heard me probably say before in my videos, there's nothing worse than seeing a big volume day like this and then having the price either go sideways or worse yet down. That was not the case today. Big volume came in and there's some nice big price reaction. So firing on all cylinders. The other nice part about this is the trend line that I drew the last time. You can see that the price pulled back here, consolidated a little bit, and now is starting to bounce off from it. Yes, it's not exactly right there, but you have to remember trend lines and supports, resistances, all that stuff, they never map out exact specific prices. They're more of zones, if you will. So you can see that the price very clearly stayed within this zone of the trend line, and just kind of as a confirming action, it did put in a higher low than where it was down here. So with this bounce, we now have all these lows that are higher than the previous ones, and uptrends are the name of the game. That's what you want to see. So things are looking very nice right now with DMXC. Now in terms of resistances and so forth, right now the key is going to be, we want to see the price get back above this little clump of moving averages here. This gold line is the 20-day, this blue line is the 10-day, and then this purple line is the 50. So if the price can get up above these and better yet close, then that could make a real explosive situation, and there could be a nice move upwards. Now the other kind of key resistance is going to be right here at this 008. If we look back through the history of the chart, you can see that it acted as resistance quite a few times here, acted as resistance there, again right there, and then you can see when the price did break it, it got a very nice pop. Unfortunately wasn't quite able to hold it, but 0.008, as history has shown us, when it does fall, things can really get moving quickly. So this is going to be the other key area of resistance. It may be a little difficult to get through, but the good thing about those situations is the more difficult it is to get through, when the price does get through it, that usually leads to a more powerful upwards movement. So as with any situation, there's always trade-offs. The bigger explosions come from the more difficult resistances to get through. So if the bulls can get through that 008, then I think the price could head back up here to this previous high relatively easy. I'm not sure if it would all happen in one day, but chart-wise, get through 008 and the resistances really thin out quite a bit until you're back up here at the 0.011 area, which was a previous high. Therefore, it's a current resistance right now. But the main draw is volume. Volume precedes price. So when you see big volume days like this, it's one of these things where you need to take note and see what happens. So keep your eye on this little clump of moving averages here. If it can get above there, the next goal is going to be the 008. And with a break of 008, things could really get going. But it was good to see that the bulls were able to hold this trend line. Shows that there are buyers down here, and better yet, like I said at the beginning of the video, good to see that the price was able to react bullishly with this increase in volume. So if there are any other questions on the current state of the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was DMXC. Thanks for listening.